Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 must-know tips for better Google Ads strategies. There are various ways to improve your view. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Create unique ads for each ad group. When you fail to create unique ads for each ad group in your ads profile, you hinder individual setups from raking in conversions and generating valuable data for future campaigns. Remember that successful marketing centers on audience research and specific content. The better you target your ads, the easier it will be to get through hurdles that can bottleneck your stream of valuable results. Tip number 2. Include keywords in your ads, landing pages, and content. Integrating keywords into your website copy can significantly boost your advertising campaign metrics. For any business, the practice of including keywords in ads and landing pages renders an invaluable advantage worth. By consistently using high-performing keywords, you'll be able to boost your page rankings by a significant margin. Tip number 3. Outsource. If you genuinely want to equip your business with the competitive advantage it needs to fetch hallmark results, then nothing gets the job done better than experienced professionals. Through the help of experts in Discover My Business, you'll have the necessary guidance to help you build a successful Google Ads strategy. If you want to achieve the best results with your Google Ads strategy, it pays to apply the right tips and tricks. By applying the 3 key practices mentioned above, you'll be able to boost your ROI and rake in more opportunities for conversions and profit in no time. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.